Hi, my name is Deep Patel. I'm the founder and CEO of Gigawatt. I'm here in Shenzhen, China. I'm at the Megarevo Factory. They're one of the largest inverter manufacturers in the world, and I'm here with one of the co-founders, Frank. Come with us.
Hi, I'm Frank Wan. I'm co-founder of Megarevo. I'm CTO of Megarevo. Welcome to you, Deep. Welcome to China.
Thank you.
Welcome to Megarevo. Welcome to our factory.
Thank you, thank you. We're gonna do a quick tour of how an inverter is made. They're back here, they're all making inverters, so we're gonna show you. Come with us.
So Deep, you can see the first step is they are installing the heatsink. You can see that the enclosure of an inverter and that heatsink of the inverter. They follow all the instructions and they do the checking of the SOB. Now you will go to the second step. You know, they are do the pasting, the thermal paste to the inverter. And now they are install the IGBTs. They are install the IGBT to the PCB. And then they will install the EMI board of these inverters. The bottom of the enclosure, there's a heatsink, and the upper part is like we call the power board. It integrates all the capacitors or the IGBT. And then the top part is the EMI board. We integrate all the EMI filter for the power converters and also the controlling board. You know, use the latest version of the firmware. And the inverter, this position, we call the AT test. We integrate all the source from the PV source, battery source, grid source, and we have a PC client software. And it integrates our standard protocol for every unit of the inverter. Or the inverter must pass the ATE, and the software can make a record for all the unit. You know, upload the data to our database. If the customers need the data, we can give you a small group of the testing data.
Got it.
Yeah.
So what you're saying here is every inverter is tested before it goes into a box and gets shipped, correct?
Yes. Or the unit must pass, and then they can be shipped to the thermal chamber.
So this is really interesting, this chamber here. Can you explain what you guys are doing here, Frank?
Yes, you can see there's a lot of rules inside thermal chamber. Every unit must place its own rule, and we have also the PC software. It can make a record for all the thermal data, like the heatsink, IGBT, or other electrical components.
Got it. So you guys temperature cycle each inverter?
Yes.
Okay. And how cold does it get in here, and how hot does it get?
Usually for the different model, different standard. Usually from I think the standard thermal chamber temperature is about 45 C.
Okay, great.
And also the standard period is 4 hours.
Wow.
You know, our inverter is IP65, so every unit must pass air tightness test.
Right.
It will use the equipment to inject air inside the enclosure and measure the pressure of the inverter. If the number is under some limit, it will generate a failure report.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. The last step is packaging.
Packaging.
Yeah. Put the inverter inside the package and add some other equipment inside the manual inside the package.
All right, great. And that's the end of the process. Thanks for taking us on this tour of this assembly line.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks.